Thaa 2:30 niguo mikora igwithaite na mucinga yohirie mubia wa parish ya Kinoo kumutunya kimanjika kia mbeca na thutha kumuratha ari ngari-ini yake magicoka gwithara na nduthi 2 iria mekuhuthagira.
Na nikio riria nyonire ni arathwo riria tumuoire twamutwara thogoto kumwanyokia thogoto akorwo ni agethire. Ndeto
ino igikirwo mukonde ni munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Adieri Nyange.
It was taking the yesterday's correction to the bank. Upon reaching this area, it was confronted by 2 motorbikes with 4 occupants. 2 of them were armed with pistols and they stopped him, and the father hesitated to stop. On the process, he was shot by one of the gangsters. Thereafter, they stole all the yesterday's collection for the parish of Kinoo.
Father Njoroge muhia niwe urari murugamiririri munene wa parish ya Kinoo, kuria arumiriri a kanitha uyu maugite ni megutabania mahoya ma mwanya.
Twe disappointed muno kuona father wito arokirio muthenya ungi na riu ni mamuratha ni mamuraga. Riu ithu turathi kuoya ikinya ria mahoya. It's like a novena ni undu wa father wito. We pray for him and we pray for those souls acio marekire uguo.
Munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu akihemuka na aria matabanirie ngero ino na kwirira aikari a Kiambu ati ihinda-ini riri ria mambura borithi ni megwibanga weru miunguririo-ini yao niguo mahe aikari othe ugitiri mukindiriku na kuria anene a kanitha ati hindi iria maratwara kimanjika kia mbeca bengi gwitikira kuhuthagira borithi.
Please, if you have businesses like the supermarkets, like the petrol stations or any other business which attracts huge amount of money, please use the police to assist you for free to take this money to the bank.
Ciiko cia wiki nai ni ciongererekete muno gicigo-ini giki undu uria muingi uroria borithi kumateithiriria. Itanya ria father muthenya wa ira rirari kuhunjiria a Kristiano ake niguo metikie na marutire Ngai, no maracoka kugaruruka rucini na gukorwo ati kiria giothe kirahotheirwo Ngai muthenya wa ira agitunywo nake kurutwo muoyo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kanitha-ini wa Kinoo guku kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.